Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this grid project. I used washi tape and I stuck all those, and then I'm going to use some watercolor paints. Then I will use some gel. It's like a crayon sticks, and then I'm going to use some stencils and some mark making. So this is like a watercolor book I'm using. So now I'm going to start with this watercolor paint. This is just not very expensive um, paint. So I'm going to try with this one and see. So I'm going to use first activate the paint. So I'm going to spray some water on that. Then I'm going to add this paint on the page, and I'm just going to paint randomly. So I will use bright colors in this. So I want to know what you guys think about this project. Let me know in the comments. So I'm using now orange color, and then I'm going to add water and just dilute it. There is no planning in this, just add randomly. Now I'm using this gel sticks. It is from King's Art, and I'm going to darken in some of the areas. I'm using another bright color in this. These are nice and very nicely pigmented. Now I'm going to use this black Posca pen. I'm just going to do mark making. I think the Posca pen is not very good. Maybe it is because of the gel sticks, so it's not very or maybe my pen is getting old and the ink is not much there in that. So I wanted it nice and bright, but it's not working as I want it to be. So now I'm going to keep trying it. Now I think I'm going to change the pen now. So I'm going to look for a different pen. I found this acrylic paint pen. This is much better. So I'm now darkening those lines and again adding some new ones. So now I'm going to add I'm going to add this paint pen, acrylic paint pen, and do some doodling. Sometimes with the gel sticks, they don't write properly. Um, this is like a creative expert. It's the acrylic paint pen. Now I'm going to use the stencil and then I'm going to add gold paint on this to give some extra texture. So you can use any gold paint. I'm just using this acrylic gold paint. You can even use watercolor paint also in this, but this is just regular acrylic paint. Now I'm using it's like a black paint. It's like a fine liner, and I'm going to do some more doodling with that. I'm just adding different mark making on that. These are like a fun to do project, and you can play with lot of things. Then I'm going to keep adding more mark making. I have little more to go and I'll finish that. Now I'm going to slowly take out the um I'm going to slowly take out the tape. So this is how I finish this project. So let me know what you guys think, and please leave the comments. Then I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.